Boom! Boom! Friends, welcome back again to Now, today's episode, we are featuring a wonderful dish from Ghana. Now, this is a dish that 9 out of 10, when you go to Ghana, you'll be introduced to this, the first meal that you'll be introduced to. Almost every household in Ghana fixes this. It's a very delicious and nutritious dish. Now, we normally serve this with fufu, and I'm quite sure a lot of people have heard about fufu. So this is hot pepper soup, all right? Or you can say light soup. And what we are using today, we have neck bones, and then we have cow feet. Hey, wonderful, it's delicious. We got some onions over here. We have some chopped onions. This one here, there's a special way we use it. We'll show you down the road. We got some chopped jalapenos. We have some tomatoes, rolled tomatoes. Over here, we got some garlic and our special secret ingredient, which is the green seasoning. We got, hey, you can't hide from me. Here, that's ginger. It was trying to hide the blending with the garlic. So, in-house hot pepper seasoning. We have some chicken bouillon, tomato paste, Himalayan sea salt. Over here, we got two different types of peppers. We have habanero, and we have this cayenne pepper over here, spicy. We got some chopped celery, and then, without further ado, we're just gonna crank it up. Okay, so now we are at the stove. Now, as you can see, this meat is a little tough. It's a tough cut of meat. So the process is to pre-blanch it and get it to tenderize. Also, take out the smudge and the blood out of it. We're going to strain it down after we blanch it for a little while. And okay, so we'll put it in there. All right, so now this is where we are. We steamed the meat for a while. As you can see, build up all this scum on top. So we're gonna remove the meat. Remove the meat out and clean the dish, clean our pot, and restart all over again. All right, as you can see, the pot is clean, and then we'll put the meat back in there. We'll put the meat back, and all right, so now in goes our vegetables, our seasonings. The whole onions, we're gonna put the whole onions in there because we're gonna take it out after it blanch for a little while to blend it. We'll put some of the chopped onions in there. We'll put everything in here because we're gonna take it out and blanch it. After it blanch for a little while, we're gonna take it and blend it. It goes the jalapenos, a little bit of salt. All this is doing to season our meat before we proceed. Put in a little bit of chicken bouillon, and we'll cover it up. Let it steam a little bit. We'll develop some juice, and then come back. Okay, so now we'll cook down we'll blanch the vegetables a little bit. We're gonna put them in the blender so we can process it. We can blend it, then return it to the soup. We'll put all this in there. Meanwhile, the meat is cooking. It's also cooking, getting tender. All right, so we got these. Got the pepper here. The habanero peppers. Okay, come on here. Don't hide from me. Come on. Okay, so now we are back. We're gonna have to put a little bit. We're gonna have to put a little bit of salt, a little bit of chicken bouillon, some of our in-house hot pepper seasoning, tomato paste. All right, friends, welcome back, and don't forget to subscribe, share my site. Like, hit the notification button, so that every time I load a new video, you'll be the first to see it. Thanks for coming. And so here we are, gonna put some water, cover it, and allow it to cook. All right, so let's cover it up. All right, friends, we're back. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, share, and like the videos. Okay, so now is the time we're gonna put in our blended vegetables. We put it in like this. So let's rinse the blender and put all the nice impurities in there. Everything go in there. Then we stir it up. Let's stir it up. Looking good. Wow. Whew, man, the smell. It's smelling amazing. It's smelling real good. All right. Again, as I was saying, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you get all the upcoming videos. Now, let's cover it up and let it cook for a little while. Maybe it can go for about another half an hour, and then we'll come back and check it out. Yeah, the soup is final ready. There's the final product. So now we'll go and serve it. As I told you, it's usually served with fufu. There's the fufu right there, which I'll show you in another video. So we'll put the meat on there. The smell is amazing. It's smelling so good in here. Wow. Okay, so all right. Now, friends, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks, and we're gonna enjoy it. Bon appetit. Go and give it a try.